Hello everyone, this is I Am Unicron, here today to do a quick unboxing and review of Transformers G1 K.O. Dinobot Swoop. This is the K.O. from Temu. I bought the set, boxes came in trash, so I'm just going to unbox all of them and review them. So let's get started. Like I say, the boxes look good. You can tell they look a little bit like photocopied almost. The quality is not 100%, but I mean, for like a display piece, if you had it on a shelf display, I think it'll look nice. But unfortunately, all of mine came in kind of trashed. They weren't boxed or packaged as nice as what I've seen other reviewers get. Mine came in a poly bag, so if it would have came in like an external box, they would have been fine. But oh well, it is what it is. Let's open it up. So far, all of them have been really good quality. The only thing I've had is like on some of the chrome, like the tolerances are extremely tight. So the chrome tends to be difficult to open on some of them at first initial opening, but it comes with instructions. I'm guessing the stickers and decoders inside, and then here he is. This is a red Swoop in package. I gotta admit, he looks pretty good. I've had a couple of original G1 Swoops, and they've all been like fairly loose because they've been played with a lot, you know, so they weren't in the best of shape. And so far, all of the KOs have been in really good shape. So let's I'm guessing this one's the same, so let's find out. Get it open. I mean, their package quality, you know, is nice on it. I mean, outer box not that great, but in box is nice. So he comes with, let's see what he has. He has a sword, 2 blasters for under the wings, and missiles on a tree. And let's finish getting him out of here. And here he is. We'll see. Out of all of them, the wings are a little bit loose on it compared to some of the other ones. Just this one, this side here is kind of not really floppy, but this one is too a little bit. This one's a lot tighter, but compared to everything else that has been like super tight, this one lacks just a tiny little bit. But there we go. All right, so let's try to get them transformed here. See what we can do. Of course, you know, it's a nice looking figure. Chrome's really good on it. Really good detail. And then this is the red version, die cast. The only Swoop I ever had, I had a blue one, and it was really loose. Usually the wings just are super loose, and all of this is really loose. But this one's actually really tight, so let's see if we can get them transformed without breaking something. This is supposed to slide out. Man, these things it's so tight. I'm sure after transforming a couple times, it'll loosen up a fairly decent amount. I hate using my screwdriver on it, but we can gently open it. A little landing gear on the inside. Man. That looks like it's about right. This side still needs to go a little bit more. Put an arm out, see if that helps it. No, I still can't. They both have to open up a little bit more. Man, come on. That's how tight the joints are. I'm having to pry it open with a screwdriver, so that's just an FYI. Be careful whenever you first get it and you first transform it, because the joints are very, very tight. And I don't want to break it, but I know it's a KO, but still, it's a nice KO. There we go. Kind of put it in here and pry a little bit. That helps pop the top over some. Bottom. There we go. Bottom. On each side. Close enough. Not perfect, but there we go. There we go. Okay. Arms are out. I think I just pop the head back. Cool. Good arms? Yeah, there we go. I thought they slid out. Let's pop the legs down. Come on, get in there. And feet. Man, what is it with this thing being really tight? I can't get the feet to pop out. I may have to get my smaller screwdriver. There we go. Jeez. So I mean, that's one thing you don't. I hear stories of people always buying KOs and they complain about how loose the joints are. That's obviously not an issue for this guy. The joints are very tight. In fact, I'm having trouble opening it up, to be honest with you. I don't think that's going to work. Let me see if I got a smaller bit. Yes, I do. Let me pop one of these in. So I can get and pry in here a little bit. I'm trying to pry it open without damaging it, right? So, golly, man, this. Come on, get out. Yeah, once this thing's in robot, I don't think I'm transforming it again. Man. There we go. Jeez Louise, man, this thing is so difficult. So hopefully if you get one, the joints on yours won't be as difficult as this one is. We'll pop his little launchers in there. We'll do a launcher and a sword for him. In one hand if you can hold it. And yes you can. And there you go, man. That was a challenge to get that done, but here he is. See if you can see him here. And all of his glory. So, well, cool. He's simple. He's not a big transformer by any means. He's the smallest and simplest of all of the Dinobots. But still, he is very cool nonetheless. I will try to get the stickers on later when I get an opportunity to. But yeah, I think he's cool. I think he's worth picking up. I wouldn't if you can get the whole set like I did for around 120 to 150, I think it's worth it. But you start going more than that, then I mean, I don't know. They're still cool. But anyway, thanks everyone.